It all started 4 months ago when I moved from Chicago to New York for a new job. That's where I met my friend Ethan. We became fast friends and decided to share an apartment. We both had a crush on a girl named Madison, but Ethan was the one who won her heart. Within a week, they became lovers, and after a month, they started getting intimate in our apartment. Suddenly, Ethan's work schedule changed, and he started working night shifts. It was Madison's birthday, and they had plans for the entire day. So, I called her at 8 p.m. as Ethan was leaving for work. "Hey, Madison, happy birthday," I said. "Thanks, Austin," she replied. "I want to celebrate with you," I said. "How about we grab some pizza?" Madison agreed, and we went to a nearby pizza place. We shared a large pizza and had a great time talking. As the night went on, I found myself developing feelings for Madison. I tried to convince her to go to a bar, but she declined. Eventually, we decided to call it a night, but I managed to persuade her to come back to my place for a drink. "Oh, this drink is delicious," Madison said, sipping her cocktail. "I'm glad you like it," I replied, smiling at her. As we spent more time together, our conversation turned flirtatious. I could tell Madison was attracted to me, and I felt the same way about her. "I have to admit, I've had feelings for you for a while now," I said, my voice low and husky. Madison looked at me with surprise, then smiled. "I've had feelings for you too, Austin," she replied, her voice barely above a whisper. We started kissing, and things escalated from there. We found ourselves lost in the moment, our passion growing with every passing second. Oh, Austin," Madison whispered, her voice husky with desire. As we explored each other's bodies, I couldn't help but notice how beautiful Madison looked. Her long hair cascaded down her back, and her bright smile lit up the room. The sound of our heavy breathing filled the air, punctuated by soft moans and gasps of pleasure. "Oh yeah, like that," Madison purred, her body arching beneath mine. The sound of our bodies moving together was like music, a rhythmic pounding that seemed to grow more intense with every passing moment. As the night wore on, our passion only grew stronger. We found ourselves completely swept up in our desires, our hearts beating as one. "I'm so close," Madison whispered, her voice trembling with anticipation. "Yes, baby," I replied, my voice low and husky. "Let go." With a final cry of pleasure, Madison climaxed, her body shuddering beneath mine. As we lay there, catching our breath, I knew that I had found someone special. Madison was beautiful, intelligent, and passionate, and I felt lucky to have her in my life. In the morning, I accompanied Madison back to her place, and then I called Ethan to ask him to bring breakfast on his way home. As it turned out, Madison and I started seeing each other whenever Ethan was away. It was a complicated situation, but we made it work. Despite the challenges, we found ourselves drawn to each other again and again. Our passion for each other only grew stronger with time, and we couldn't help but wonder what the future held for us. As we navigated the complexities of our relationship, I knew that I had found a true partner in Madison. She was my confidant, my lover, and my best friend, and I knew that I would always cherish her.